Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Now today we have a very exciting painting. It's a massive painting. Do apologise. And you know when you get that verge, you're lying in your bed and you just get a verge to order something. You just feel like you need to order something. Well, I ordered this on Christmas Eve and I think it came on the 27th and I liked it, and it is a Whacking Great Big. It's a 70 times 40, so this is a size I've never worked on before, and it's basically like a Christmas village. It's got various colours in here. I get the impression that this is going to have 2 trays in it. I'm not entirely sure yet, and this is going to happen next year now because obviously we're at the Christmas season. And yeah, it was on my wish list for a couple of days, and then I was like, do I get it, do I not? It was $12.99, and I thought, you know what, I'm biting the bullet, I'm going to buy it now. But yeah, because I was like, if I spend this, I can't buy one of my issues, you know, with the builds, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to buy it, you know. So in here, let's take a look at the drills first. Actually, we'll take a look. Oh my god, it's getting longer. Oh my god, this is... Yeah, look, see what they've done? They've gave us 2 boats. Lovely. So you get 2 boats with some wax and baggies. We'll get into the colours in a bit, but look at this, babe. Look at this. Oh my god, look at... Oh my god, wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. So you get the massive... Oh, this is brilliant. The print's lovely. So you get the massive tree at the end. You get yourself 28 colours in this. And it's basically, you've got some trees there. You've got a house up the back. You've got some people in it, figures, a dog. I feel, when I saw this, I thought this was absolutely fantastic. It's a nice sort of wintry Christmas village sort of thing. I think that's supposed to be Postman. And then down here, you've got a snowman. This is fantastic. I absolutely love this. It's such a lovely size as well. So obviously remember that I have paintings from previous years as well. But I fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. You know when you come into the end of a painting and then you've got to look for a new painting to buy to take over the one that you've just finished? I can't believe it. I saw this and I was like, oh my god. I really like it. I think the house, you know, the church there, I think that is. But just the tree with that lovely white tree and then the bits on the top, that's beautiful. What a lovely painting. I think it's probably similar to my waterfall painting, but as I said, it's a 70 times 40, but I love it. I think that's really lovely. It's a pour glue. So yeah, really gorgeous. I'm going to roll that up a bit. So just get that up. That's lovely. OMG, that's so good. And we'll get into the beads now. So this is a round drill. I am in the process of moving to square drills, so I'm not going to be working with rounds in the near future. I'm going to be phasing them out because apparently squares give it more depth or something. But in here we've got millions upon millions of drills here. So as you can see, we've got the DMCs over there, but we've got pinks, reds, burgundy. That's gorgeous. Look at this. Absolutely. Oh man. I really can't wait to start this. I really feel like starting it now, but it wouldn't feel right because it's not Christmassy. But oh my god, look at that. That's beautiful. And then, if we look here, look at that, babe. OMG. That's so gorgeous. Oh wow. Sorry if I keep going, if I go... that's good, babe. That's right, babe. It's an Essex thing. Everyone in Essex calls everyone babe for some reason. But yeah, that is... I can't get over that. That is absolutely lovely. But yeah, let's just take a look at it again. I'm that pleased with that. $12.99, well worth spent. And they had some other ones as well. But that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I think for me, there's not anything I can fault on it. I think for me, the best bit is the tree. Even down to the little snowman over there. You know, you've just got a bit of everything. You've got a bit of tree, you've got a bit of buildings, a bit of figures, a bit of snow. Oh, wow. What a painting. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually quite intrigued. I'm actually thinking of moving to this size as well. It's just beautiful. But if you like what you see, I'll put the link in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. and I'll see you next time for another unboxing next Friday. Bye, guys.